No, 2 strikes. Laycon will be, he'll be half dead by now.
You beat him to death.
I'll actually beat him. I promise you.
I'll hold you now.
I would actually beat him.
No, but I'll hold you. No, I'll hold you.
He's mad.
But I'll hold you.
He has not seen who to lie against. It's Erica. 1 week ago, I went to meet him. Who tried to kiss you? On a normal day, why would I try to kiss? Is he attractive? Laycon is not attractive.
Hello guys and welcome back to your favorite channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Erica threatens to kill Laycon. Big Brother NAIJA housemate Erica has vowed that Laycon will kill himself for lying about her. Erica, who was drunk after the Saturday night party, said the singer will kill himself. She said the only thing saving him is Biggie because she will kill him outside the house. I will beat Laycon if I was not on 2 strikes. I don't care if I am disqualified. Laycon is a foolish boy. He looks like a non-stick. Laycon will kill himself for using me to lie outside the house. I will kill Laycon. How will I be attracted to such an ugly boy? Laycon is ugly, he's not attractive. If people see that he's using his smartness for bad, then he is ugly from the inside out. While Erica lashed out to Laycon, Kidwai and Trikiti tried to calm her down. However, effort to calm her down proved abortive as she claims she has bottled up her emotions for 1 week. Recall that Ebuka had asked Laycon to clarify his statement that Erica tried to kiss him severally. Annoyed by the question, Erica confronted Laycon, but he maintained that he will not discuss the issue. Erica, who was tipsy after the Saturday night party, said Laycon is ugly and a fool. You are a fool, you are lying that I tried to kiss you. You can't prove that I tried to kiss you. Laycon was my friend, but now he is shit. He was using me to trend and I'm not scared of anyone in this house. Laycon is an idiot. Why lie about me? I'm only attracted to your brain. You are a short fool. Your whole body is like a broomstick. 1 week has passed and you can't prove that I tried to kiss you severally. As skinny and ugly as you are, you don't have anything to trend with. Why are you always talking about me in the first place? The only thing Ebuka always asks you about is Erica. Your whole body is like the drumstick of a chicken. I was attracted to your brain, but right now, your brain is evil. So guys, that was all what Erica said about Laycon last night during their fight. So what are your thoughts on all of this? Do you think Erica's accusation is true? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, if this is your first time of viewing, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when it's to drop.